Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the future of decentralized intellectual property management with Story Protocol. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up your very own Story Protocol validator node. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or new to blockchain, this step-by-step tutorial will help you become an active participant in the Story ecosystem. Before we begin, let's talk about what Story Protocol is. Story Protocol is an innovative blockchain platform designed to revolutionize how creators register, track, and license intellectual property on-chain. With its proof of creativity protocol, it enables seamless provenance tracking, remixing, and licensing of creative works like prose, music, images, and more. Backed by top-tier investors like A16Z and Polychain Capital, Story Protocol is poised to reshape the way IP is handled on a global scale. Now, let's go over the prerequisites for setting up your node. You'll need a server with the following specifications: operating system, Ubuntu 22.04 CPU, 4 cores, RAM, 8 GB, storage, 200 GB SSD. Make sure these ports are open. For hosting a Story node, I recommend using a VPS2 server from Contabo for its reliability and performance. You can check out my Contabo VPS server guide for easy setup. To order your Contabo VPS server, you can click on my referral link. Installing a node can be complex, but I've simplified the process with an Ansible automation script. This script handles deployment, updates, and removal of nodes effortlessly. Let's get started with the system preparation. First, update your system packages and install Git and Ansible. Open your terminal and run the following commands. Check your Ansible version to ensure it's 2.15 or higher. Now clone the project repository to access the Ansible playbook and required files. Initiate the installation of the Story Validator node using this command. Replace your node name with the unique name you wish to assign to your node. The installation takes about 1 hour due to downloading and importing the snapshot. Once completed, you can find your private key in this path. Save it securely as it will be useful for the next steps. Next, start your nodes and monitor their activity. Use the following commands. To exit the logs, press Ctrl+C. Regularly check these logs to ensure everything is running smoothly. To register your node as a validator, you need to fund it by obtaining tokens from a faucet using your node's public address. To obtain this public address, import your node's private key into a Metamask wallet and add the testnet story network to this wallet. You need 0.5 IP to register your node as a validator. Get testnet funds for your wallet through FaucetMe by logging in with your Discord account and joining their Discord server. Enter the public address of your node's Metamask wallet. You'll receive 2 IP. Note that you can only make one request every 24 hours. Before registering your validator node, ensure your node is fully synchronized with the Story blockchain. Use this command to check the synchronization status. Wait until the catching up variable is false. Once it's false, your node is fully synchronized and ready for the next steps. You must hold at least 0.5 IP plus gas fees in your node address for staking. Now register your node as a validator using this command. At the end of the script, you'll obtain the public address of your node. Once completed, you can view your validator on the Story Explorer by entering the public address of your node. Congratulations, your Story Validator node is now operational. Here is some additional information. To stop the story get node and story consensus node, use this command. To start the story get node and story consensus node, use this command. To remove the story nodes, run this playbook. Ensure to back up all important data before deleting the story node, as this action may remove node data. By following this guide, you've successfully deployed and managed the story validator node, contributing to the robustness of the network and potentially earning rewards. Join the story community on Discord and Twitter to stay informed and connected. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please support my channel by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Stay connected with our latest updates on social media, and I'll see you in the next video.